Outstanding design defines the 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, a tonneau cover, and remote keyless entry. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.